Hi you guys, welcome back to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and with me today I have Sydney. We are going to be breaking down step 2 of the standing back tuck, which is the rotation, and Sydney's going to be demonstrating some of those drills for us.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
If you don't know what a standing back tuck is, Sydney is going to be kind enough to demonstrate one. Beautiful! And by the end of these 3-step series for the standing back tuck, you'll have the tools to be able to practice that in your own home. One of the most important things for a good rotation in a back tuck is a shin and toe drive. A good way to feel that is by trying to flip something that you place on top of your feet. So Sydney's going to use her air track here to kind of recreate that feeling. So she's going to put her feet under the air track and do a nice big jump and do her best to flip it. Yep, sometimes that happens. That's okay. Just put it back on. Slide your feet under a little bit further. Yeah, and it's going to be hard to flip it if it's something heavier, so maybe start with like a pillow or a cushion and work up to something heavier from there. Another really useful drill is a tucked candlestick. So Sydney's going to face this way, start with her arms up, and kind of start like a backwards roll. Yes, and see how she's driving her toes and shins this direction? That was awesome, Sydney. Do it one more time. And you can see just how fast her body wants to rotate because of that nice quick drive. A tucked candlestick is a great drill to add on to other drills that we've already done, like the knees to feet. Go ahead. This will help combine that set with the rotation. Good, yeah. Sometimes if you backwards roll, that's good. That means you are just getting that rotation more and more drilled into your brain. And roll. Nice. You can combine that fast shin and toe drive with a strong set by doing a tuck jump. Sydney's going to make sure she's driving her knees and her shins and toes in front of her body. What she's not going to do is a tuck jump where she kicks her butt, which will look like this. Notice how that's not going to create any rotation up and over her shoulders like we want in a standing back tuck. Now we are going to use this bed to combine that quick set with a little more rotation than just a shin drive. So Sydney's going to stand with her back to the bed, a nice strong set, up, driving, yep, creating a little bit of rotation, and you'll notice how she rolls into that tucked candlestick position. Do that one more time. Nice push through the toes, driving shins over her body. Another way that you can feel that push into that rotation if you don't necessarily have a bed available to you to jump on or a couch or any soft surface is by laying on your back next to a wall with your feet facing the wall. You're going to put your feet up and push through your toes into that tucked candlestick position. Notice how Sydney has her arms up by her ears as we want our shoulders to stay nice and open when we're doing a standing back tuck. Thank you guys for watching and for hanging out with us today. And a huge thank you to Sydney for being so willing to demonstrate and for offering up her home to demonstrate in. Make sure to check out step 1 of the back tuck series, which is the set, and step 3, which is the landing. I will be sure to link those in the description box below. Bye guys.